Virgo, what if I told you that between August 25th and T something could happen that would change your life forever? It could be a dream you've been dreaming of coming true, or unexpected money could suddenly appear. It could be love, it could be luck, or it could be the sign you've been praying for. Don't ignore this message. The universe doesn't just send you warnings for no reason. If you're a Virgo, simply listening now could be the first step towards a new destiny. Are you ready to hear what's waiting for you? Welcome, Virgo. If you're watching this, it's no accident. The days from August 25th to 30th have a special energy that can turn your world around in the best possible way. It's not just about the stars and planets. It's about the signs the universe is placing in your path right now. For many Virgos, this time of year could bring an answer to a long-standing problem, an unexpected blessing, or a life-changing opportunity that feels like pure luck. In Filipino culture, we believe in luck and destiny. And this week, both of them could be on your side. Today, I'm going to guide you through exactly what to expect when it comes to love, money, health, and the hidden event that could rewrite your future. So listen carefully, because the next few minutes could open your eyes to the biggest change of your life. Virgo, what if I told you that between August 25th and 30th something could happen that will change your life forever? A long-held dream could come true, or unexpected money could suddenly come your way. It could be love, it could be luck, or it could be the sign you've been praying for. Don't ignore this message. The universe doesn't just send you warnings for no reason. If you are a Virgo, simply listening today could be the first step towards a new destiny. Are you ready to hear what awaits you? General energy for August 25th, 30 Virgo. Virgo, the energy this week is like the calm before a beautiful storm. The kind of change you have been waiting for a long time without realizing it. From August 25th to T, the stars show a rare alignment that combines stability and sudden surprise. Is it as if the universe has been quietly preparing a gift for you and is now ready to give it? You may notice small signs first. A sudden message from someone you haven't spoken to in a while. A lucky number that keeps popping up, or a sudden hunch to try something new. In Filipino culture, we call this hula-ing puso, that deep feeling that something good is going to happen. Pay attention to these moments, because they are not just coincidences. They are hints. Planet Mercury, who rules Virgo, is in a powerful position this week. Sharpens your mind and helps you see opportunities more clearly. Does it feel like you suddenly have the right key to open the right door? You may also feel a surge of confidence. You are ready to take action rather than just wait. This is the kind of week where luck and hard work come together. For those who are patient, hardworking, or have been waiting for an opportunity for a long time, the energy is telling you that your time has come. This change may start in small ways. But like planting a seed, it will grow and become bigger. Don't be surprised if you feel a mixture of excitement and nervousness. That's normal when destiny begins to move. Trust that the universe is bringing you closer to the life you have long dreamed of. From August 25th to August 25th, your story may turn to the place that is truly destined for you. Love and relationships. Virgo, August 2:53 Virgo, this week it feels like a new breath of love is entering your heart. Whether you are single or in a relationship, the universe is placing moments in your path that will awaken your deepest feelings. From August 25th to 30th, relationships will be the center of attention, and the changes that occur today can affect your destiny for the next few months or even years. For single Virgos, someone's energy may suddenly become attractive to you. It could be a longtime friend you don't see that way, or a stranger who enters your life at the most unexpected moment. Maybe on a trip, at work, or even in an online conversation. Filipinos believe in fate, and this week fate can be a matchmaker. When a spark is felt in your heart, don't think too much about why. Mercury's energy will provide the right words at the right time. So just let the conversation flow naturally. For Virgos in relationships, expect deeper conversations and a clearer understanding of where your relationship is headed. This is a powerful time for honesty, sharing dreams, talking about plans, and letting go of old doubts. If there has been tension recently, the coming days may bring a surprising tenderness that will heal the emotional wounds. Think about it. A quiet night, a heart-to-heart talk, and that warm Filipino concern. Genuine concern for each other's well-being. If you are going through heartbreak, the universe is whispering that closure is near. It could be finally understanding why certain things happened, or getting to know someone who is slowly making your feelings lighter. In Filipino culture, We say that everything happens for a reason, and this week, you may see that reason clearly. An important reminder: pay attention to invitations and gatherings from August 25th to 30th. Even a small party or a simple video call with friends can lead you to meet someone important. Sometimes love doesn't knock. It quietly enters ordinary moments. Spiritually, your heart energy is opening up more. Love in all its forms, romantic, familial, and even self-love, will flow more easily if you allow it to. Be willing to give, but also open to receiving without guilt. This balance will attract exactly the kind of relationship energy you are looking for. Virgo, the stars are in your favor when it comes to matters of the heart. Whether it is rekindling feelings, finding new love, or completely letting go of the past, this week has the power to change your love story. Career and finance, Virgo, August 25th. Virgo, when it comes to your career and finances, the days from August 25th to 30th carry the energy of big opportunities hidden in small moments. This is a week where what you choose to do or even the words you say can create an impact that will last for months. In your career, expect situations where your talent, dedication, and attention to detail will suddenly be noticed. Your boss may praise you, a colleague may recommend you for a task, or a client may brag about your work in front of others. For Filipinos, hard work and perseverance are important. And this week, these will be your most powerful weapons. If you have been working quietly without recognition for a long time, the universe is signaling that your time to shine is near. If you are looking for a job or a new source of income, Mercury's influence this week will strengthen your communication and problem-solving skills. This is a good time for interviews, networking, or even trying out side hustles. Don't underestimate small rockets. They can start small but become a steady source of income. Remember, many beggars and entrepreneurs started with a small idea before it became a business that changed their lives. In financial matters, an unexpected blessing may come. It could be a refund you forgot about, a bonus at work, payment of a long-awaited loan, or even a small win in a raffle or office draw. This is not a direct lottery prediction, but the stars indicate that the energy of luck is higher than usual for Virgos this week. In Filipino culture, this is the time when we say you are lucky today. So don't be afraid to try small but careful steps. For entrepreneurs or freelancers, this time encourages creative solutions. A new idea or a unique offer can attract more clients. Even a simple change like improving your online presence or a small promotion can bring big results. Be alert to feedback from customers or colleagues. Sometimes just a simple comment contains the seeds of your next success. An important reminder: while opportunities are open, the energy also reminds you to manage your blessings well. Sudden money can also disappear quickly if not handled carefully. Make a simple plan for saving, investing, or using extra to strengthen your long-term security. Virgo, from August 25th to 30th, career doors are ready to open and finances are flowing. Stay sharp, be confident, and don't be shy about moving forward. Your hard work and destiny are about to meet. Health and overall well-being. Virgo, August 25th. Virgo, this week it seems like your energy is finding the right balance from August 25th to 30th. The stars encourage you to take care of your body, mind, and emotions because the changes coming will require strength and clarity. Physically, you may notice an increase in your vitality, especially if you have been feeling tired in recent weeks. Mercury's positive alignment will give you the mental push to start healthy routines that you have been putting off for a long time. It could be as simple as taking a morning walk, drinking more water, or preparing fresh food instead of skipping meals. In Filipino culture, we say health is wealth. And this week, it reminds you that taking care of yourself is the first step to truly enjoying your blessings. Emotionally, you may feel a heightened sense of hope and optimism. The tension or sadness you have been carrying may begin to fade and be replaced by a quiet excitement for the future. If you are recovering from a heartbreak stress over and out, the coming days will bring emotional improvements. This is a good time for journaling, praying, or meditating, any activity that strengthens the voice of your inner self. For Virgos who are going through something due to stress, the energy this week supports rest and healing. Even small changes like adjusting your bedtime or taking breaks while working can bring great relief to your feelings. Listen to your body. It gives you signals about what you truly need. Spiritually, your intuition will be stronger than usual. You may suddenly experience a gut feeling about people, decisions, opportunities. Trust these hunches, they can guide you towards better health and overall balance. This week is not only about the changes brought by fate, but also about making sure you are healthy enough to enjoy the blessings that are coming. Protect your energy, take care of your body, and keep your mind clear. When your whole being is in harmony, you are ready to fully enter the new chapter that awaits you. Unexpected events are a reversal of fate. Virgo, August 25th, 30. Virgo, this is where everything gets more exciting. The period from August 25th to 30th carries the energy of sudden and almost unbelievable events. The kind that will make you wonder, is this real? The universe is indicating a plot twist in your personal story. For some Virgos, you may meet someone who will completely change your path, a new friend, mentor, business contact, or possible partner who seems to have been sent to you for a special reason. It can happen in the simplest of places, at the market, on the way to work, or even on a date. At the market, on the way to work, or even on a random social media interaction. But the impact can be extraordinary. For others, the twist may come in the form of finances. An opportunity you didn't expect could present itself, such as a job offer, an idea for extra income, or a sudden payment or benefit from something you had forgotten about. In Filipino culture, we call this an unexpected blessing. When it comes, don't just dismiss it as a coincidence. The stars indicate that it is part of a larger plan for you. There is also a spiritual message behind it. You may experience EV moments, recurring dreams, or symbols that seem to follow a particular number, song, or phrase. Pay attention to these signals as they are clues guiding your next step. Just a reminder, not all sudden changes will be comfortable right away. Sometimes the universe shakes us to get us out of our comfort zone. When something doesn't go according to plan, think of it as a redirection to something better. Everything happens for a reason. Virgo, your destiny twist may feel small at first, but like a seed planted in fertile soil, it will grow. And when you look back, you'll realize that this is the moment that everything began to change. Spiritual guide and advice. Virgo, August 253. Virgo, as the days roll by from August 25th to T, the stars and spiritual energies have a clear message for you to trust in the process. Not all the details of the land ahead may be revealed now, but every step you take this week will bring you closer to something destined for you. In Filipino culture, we often say to leave it to God. But that doesn't mean we don't have to do anything. It means doing your part while letting the universe do the rest. If you've been hesitant to take action, this is the week to take the first step, no matter how small, as your spiritual energy is at its peak. So pay attention to hunches, recurring signs, and feelings that are hard to explain. They may be guiding you to people, places, or decisions that will play a significant role in your destiny. Protect your energy by avoiding negativity, whether it's from situations, people, or even your own thoughts. Keep your mind and heart open and surround yourself with inspiring things, music, prayer, nature, or time with loved ones. Virgo, the universe is in your favor. All it asks is that you stay focused on the present, stay hopeful, and believe that what's coming is exactly what you've been waiting for. Filipino cultural connection. Virgo, August 25th. Virgo, to truly understand the blessings and changes that are coming your way, we need to look at it through the lens of Filipino life because destiny feels different when it touches the heart of our culture. In the Philippines, we believe deeply in luck and destiny. Think about every barangay fiesta. There is always someone who wins the raffle and says, "I didn't expect it, but I won." That's exactly the kind of unexpected energy that surrounds you this week. For our overseas Filipino workers, office, this time may bring long-awaited news, maybe a contract extension, an opportunity to move to a better company, or extra financial blessings to send to the family. Think about the joy of calling them and telling them that we have an extra budget for the house. This is the kind of proud and hopeful moment that the stars point to. For Filipinos back home and working hard every day, this is the week where your patience may pay off. It may be a promotion you have been quietly hoping for, an extra customer for your small business, or a simple kindness that will lighten your load. Let's remember the saying, diligence and perseverance. With a little effort, hard work always pays off. Even in love, the true spirit of Filipino caring may rise. Your partner may surprise you with a simple but heartfelt gesture, or a friend may ask you to say hello when you need it most. Sometimes these small, honest acts feel like the greatest blessings. This week's energy is also connected to our spiritual side. In many Filipino homes, we light candles, pray novenas, or visit churches when seeking guidance. If you're looking for a sign, you may find it today in a dream, a verse you've read, or even in a simple conversation. Our elders remind us. Listen to the sign. Signs are often the universe's way of communicating with us. And above all, Virgo, don't forget that our culture values sharing blessings. If you receive something unexpected this week, even if it's small, try sharing a little of it in the form of help, kindness, or time. In Filipino belief, giving keeps the flow of grace alive. This week, it's not just about changing your destiny, but how that change flows through your family, community, and the people you love. And in the true spirit of being Filipino, when one's life gets better, everyone around you feels the joy. Final advice and message of encouragement. Virgo, August 25th, 30. Virgo. After all we've talked about, the blessings, the twists and the signs here are real. The real power of this week is in how you respond to it. The universe may open doors, but you still have to enter. From August 25th to 30th. Don't let fear or doubt stop you when an opportunity comes your way, even if you're not familiar with it. Examine it carefully. Many of life's greatest blessings come in unexpected ways. Think of the countless Filipinos who just started a business with little investment, applied for a job abroad, or confessed their feelings and completely changed their lives. That's where that fire of possibility is. Remember, not all blessings scream your name. Some just whisper. It could be a random conversation, a sudden idea, or a simple invitation. Pay attention to them. The stars indicate that these small moments can grow and become more meaningful. If a trial is coming your way this week, don't take it as a sign to quit. Think of it as a test of faith. In our culture, we say it's just a test. Because of the goodness, we know that often behind the hardships are the seeds of success. Take care of your heart and energy. Be grateful for every good thing, no matter how small. Gratitude becomes a bridge for small blessings to become greater and keeps your spirit aligned with the flow of abundance. Virgo, this week is more than just a date on the calendar. It's a turning point. A chapter in your story that can bring joy, stability, and the fulfillment of dreams. Stand strong. Believe in yourself. And move forward with faith. The future you've been waiting for may be just around the corner. Virgo, if what you've heard today resonated with you, don't let it end here. Please share this video with a fellow Virgo or someone who needs a reminder that fate can change in an instant. Want to hear from you? Comment below with your zodiac sign and tell us what you expect to happen from August 25th to 30th. Maybe your story will inspire other viewers. And if you want to know more about how the stars will guide you in the coming weeks, like this video. Subscribe to the Point Taken channel and click the notification bell. The universe is full of messages for you, and I don't want you to miss a single one. Virgo, your journey is just beginning and the best chapters are yet to come.